Welcome to Bike Shift, the channel where we bring you the newest launches, detailed reviews, and upcoming models in the motorcycle world. Today, we explore a bike that has created massive buzz even before its official rollout, the 2026 Royal Enfield 125 cubic centimeters, a machine that aims to redefine affordable classic motorcycling for a new generation of riders. Royal Enfield is known for big engines and retro charm. But with the 2026 Royal Enfield 125 cubic centimeters, the company steps into a new segment, targeting riders who want premium styling and brand identity in a more accessible and fuel-efficient package. This motorcycle introduces Royal Enfield's classic DNA at a lower engine size without compromising the brand's iconic feel and road presence. The design of the 2026 Royal Enfield 125 cubic centimeters stays true to the brand's retro heritage. Rounded headlamp, wide handlebars, metal fenders, and a sculpted fuel tank give it the look of a mini bullet. The fit and finish feel premium, with chrome detailing and strong metallic paint options. Even in the 125 cubic centimeters category, the bike carries a commanding stance that instantly stands apart from typical commuter motorcycles. At the heart of the bike is an all-new 125 cubic centimeters air-cooled engine designed for smooth, refined performance. While it's not built for high-speed touring, the engine focuses on torque-rich low-end power, something Royal Enfield riders always appreciate. This makes city commuting effortless, with quick acceleration from low RPM and smooth gear shifts. The motorcycle is expected to deliver impressive mileage, making it ideal for daily riders who want both economy and style. The 2026 Royal Enfield 125 cubic centimeters brings modern features wrapped in a retro appeal. It includes a semi-digital instrument cluster, optional Bluetooth navigation, LED lighting, USB charging port, and improved vibration control. Royal Enfield has also introduced enhanced suspension tuning to increase rider comfort over rough roads. Disc brakes with CBS or optional ABS ensure safer and more confident braking. Comfort has always been a Royal Enfield signature, and this bike continues that philosophy. A wide, cushioned seat, upright posture, and relaxed foot peg positioning create a fatigue-free riding experience. Whether used for office commuting or short weekend rides, the bike promises smooth handling, stable road grip, and long-distance comfort that is rare in the 125 cubic centimeters segment. The most exciting part of the 2026 Royal Enfield 125 cubic centimeters is its expected pricing. Royal Enfield aims to make it one of the most affordable entry points into the brand, targeting riders who dream of owning an RE but want a more budget-friendly option. It is positioned to compete with premium 125 cubic centimeters commuters while offering unmatched heritage styling. The 2026 Royal Enfield 125 cubic centimeters is more than just a new motorcycle, it's a strategic move to bring the iconic Royal Enfield experience to a new audience. With classic looks, strong build quality, modern features, and accessible pricing, this bike has the potential to become a major hit in the market. Stay connected to Bike Shift for more updates, comparisons, and upcoming reviews.